Hello, friends. Can you believe Danutsav is almost here? It's coming up faster than you think. The truth is, the best celebrations don't just happen, they are planned. If you want to make a real difference this year, now's the time to start. So, let me share three simple, practical steps you can take today. Danutsav, India's Festival of Giving, runs from October 2nd to October 8th. A perfect time for individuals, NGOs, and companies to spread some kindness. Ideally, you should start preparing about 3 months in advance because the campaigns that really leave a mark don't happen at the last minute. But hey, with just 30 days to go, it's still not too late. You've got a window to make it count. Just follow these tips and you'll be all set to make your Danutsav a success. Tip number 1: identify and onboard volunteers. Volunteers are the backbone of any Danutsav activity. But don't just ask people to help. Define your program first. What is the activity? Is it a donation drive, an awareness campaign, or a corporate volunteering event? And what roles do you need? Social media champions, logistics managers, storytellers, on ground coordinators. Once you have the clarity, reach out to colleges, corporates, and friends and family too. Make a simple volunteer role document with responsibilities, time commitment, and benefits. This makes your ask professional and clear. Tip number 2: set specific and actionable goals. Don't go in vague. Define exactly what success looks like for you. Do you want to raise funds, collect resources, or do you want to clock in volunteer hours? Write these goals down and share them with your team and volunteers. This will keep everyone focused. Tip number 3: create an impact calendar. This is where you turn your ideas into action. If you haven't done this yet, it's urgent. Use the remaining days wisely. This week, you can finalize activities, onboard volunteers, and create your first social media teaser. In the coming weeks, you can start fundraising or collection drives, do volunteer orientations, and engage local media. And by October 1st week, you will execute your Danutsav activities and share stories online. Use free tools like Google Calendar, Notion to keep everything organized. Remember, great campaigns don't happen by chance. They happen by choice and planning. It's not too late, but you need to start now. Lock in volunteers, set goals, and use the next few weeks smartly. Now, let's dive into three simple yet powerful fundraising ideas you can adopt this Danutsav. Pop-up stalls. This is a super simple fundraising idea. Set up a bake sale, smoothie stall, or even a small food counter. All the money you collect goes straight to your cause. Food is something everyone loves and buys anyway, so it's an easy win. Plus, it can work anywhere. And here's a tip: you don't have to do it all yourself. Get volunteers, homemakers, or even cooking enthusiasts to pitch in by preparing the goodies and donating them. It's a win win. They get to contribute, and you raise funds without a big expense. Tie up with restaurants and stores. You could collaborate with local restaurants or cafes. They can highlight specific menu items, and a set percentage of the proceeds from those sales during Danutsav week goes to your cause. For instance, a restaurant could pledge 20% from dessert sales between 4 p.m. and 8 p.m. during Danutsav week to support your cause. This way, customers feel good knowing that by buying their favorite dish or product, they are contributing to a social cause. Businesses love it because it boosts footfall and sales during the campaign period. It creates a win win partnership. You raise funds and they build goodwill with customers. Social media campaigns. Use the power of social media. People love sharing fun, feel good moments online. So why not turn that into a campaign? For example, you can start a hashtag challenge, something simple like a 5-day kindness challenge. Each day, people do a small act of giving, share a photo or video, and tag your hashtag. It's fun, engaging, and it gets people talking about your cause. Just keep it super easy. Make the hashtag catchy, encourage tagging friends, and give them ideas for what to post. The simpler it is, the more likely people will jump in. If you'd like to try any of these ideas and need ready to use templates and step by step guides, just head to the link in the description and download them from our website. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to follow for more ideas and videos like this.